Most of us, we're just guessing when it comes to our YouTube titles. You spend hours on the edit, you stress over the thumbnail, and then you just throw a random sentence into the title box and hope for the best. But here is the problem. If your title is all curiosity, like you won't believe what happened, but it has zero searchability, you are essentially throwing your video into a black hole. YouTube doesn't know who to show it to, and the audience doesn't know what they are actually getting. I realized I needed a way to audit this before I hit publish, so I built a tool to solve it. It is called the Curiosity Title Grader. It does not just tell you if a title is good or bad, it breaks it down into two distinct axes: curiosity pull and searchability. It gives you a blended score so you can see if you are leaning too far into the vague clickbait or if you are being so literal that nobody wants to click. All right, so right here, I am going to run through it live with something someone would actually use. Let's take a common title style. I am typing "you won't believe what happened" into the title field. Now I am going to hit the grade button. Give it a second to process the logic behind the scenes, and right here, that is your output. Look at those numbers. Title graded, "You won't believe what happened." The curiosity pull is sitting at 42 by 100, which is decent, but look at the searchability. It is coming in at 4100. That gives us a blended score of 41,100. The recommendation here is lean curiosity. The verdict is clear. Your search factor is ahead of your curiosity, or in this case, the balance is off. It tells me to add a question, a gap, or some stakes. It is telling me exactly why the title might be falling flat. This is the kind of feedback that changes how you write. Instead of guessing, you are now looking at data. You can see if you are accidentally ignoring the search intent of your audience. If you change that title to something like "Why the New Update Ruined My Workflow," suddenly your searchability goes up and your curiosity stays high because of the emotional hook. This tool is a game changer for the workflow because it is fast. You don't have to jump between 5 different websites or pay for some bloated SEO service. It is just a clean, local app. You type the title, you hit grade, and you get the truth. I built this tool in Cursor, the Cursor AI editor. It is a free Python desktop tool that you can download right now from CaseyBuildsIt.com. Just head over to the Files or Free Tools section on the site, grab the folder, and open it up on your computer. And the best part? I have included the build prompt right there with it. That means if you want to change how it scores, or if you want to add a new feature, you can open that prompt in Cursor or any AI you use and tweak it to your heart's content. It is yours to own and yours to improve. Stop relying on gut feelings for your channel's growth. Start grading your titles, see where the gaps are, and adjust your strategy based on actual measurable data. It is a small change, but over the course of a dozen videos, it makes a massive difference in how your content performs. Go grab the tool at CaseyBuildsIt.com, run a few of your recent video titles through it, and see how you score. You might be surprised at how much room there is to grow.